with the camera. So this is the time we'll go into the water with our car. So this will be another fun and adventure. Oh. So we are going into the water and this car we have customized this one. But brother Sajid, he fit the tent on top of the roof, and the tires are very good for off-roading, and this is 4x4 for Toyota 4Runner. It's pretty good, and then it has like lights for off-road night driving. It's a pretty good car. So if you guys want to do off-roading, you can have this 4x4 strong engine, and Jeep is also very good for off-roading. So this one is also. Assalamu alaikum. We are heading to a campground. It's in Georgia and South Carolina, in between. So our Muslim group, brothers, brother Amir, brother Hafiz, brother Sajid, we are going together. Alhamdulillah. So that will be the first adventure of our adventure group. So we are already in the mountain areas. So all the stuffs inside the car, the tent and everything. And we got such nice off-road car, and we'll be doing some driving off-roading, and another plan is going for hiking. That will be a 6 miles trek. It will be like up and down, and not too high hill, but there will be some hills, small hills we have to walk over. Let's see. You can see it's a rainy day, Saturday morning. After Fajr prayer we started, and little rain is going on, and then it will be raining all day. So in the rain it will be a little challenging. Hope we can overcome those challenges and get the real adventure. Alhamdulillah. So hopefully it will be an exciting adventure.
Take the next left onto South Carolina 107 South.
So we are looking for our campground, and it's off-road driving, and it's very hard to drive here, but the car is well equipped, so we can take in this sleepy, muddy off-road. This is a hill actually. So real adventure is going on. So we can camp anywhere, somewhere. We can find. Really exciting. We have reached the spot where we thought of doing wild camping, and this is the place. It's fully wild and off-road. It's free, so we'll put the tent here and there. So this is really deep in the woods, and we had a very good car, and so that's our group leader, and we have a charcoal. So the plan is we'll set up the wind tents here, and then we'll go and have a hike in the trail for 6 miles, and come back and have our food and enjoy the nature. And tomorrow also after getting up we'll have some hiking, so we'll enjoy in this wild the night here. So it's on top of mountains. It's raining, so hopefully it don't bother our hike. Our wild tent. This is another one. So now living room, wild living room. We are having difficult times here setting up our common room. So it's hard to set it up now, and we don't have enough stick, and the wind is blowing that. And there is another challenge. the water, we don't want to get it there in that tent. So now everybody is thinking how we can set it up properly, and it's slow. We just started our hiking. It's how many miles?
7 miles.
7 miles. Okay. So Hafiz bhai all the way front, and I'm back now. So hopefully it will be an exhausting and exciting hiking. It's mud, it's slippery, and the water. It's raining. So the track, it came here, and I think we are end of the track, and then we can see so much water. It's raining and pouring sometimes. So क्या जाना कहाँ पे भाई? ट्रैक खत्म हो गया?
पानी में जाना है ना. You have to go through the water.
Oh my god.
अभी तो ट्रैक स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है.
Oh, अच्छा. MashaAllah. I thought it's done because of the water. It's impossible to cross this water, but anyway, that's a different track, I guess. We have to follow.
अगर आपको टर्न ले रहे हैं ना, you just need to know right लिया तो वापस में लेफ्ट है. There's only one way you can go to. Yeah, लेकिन अगर कोई टर्न आ रहा है, then we need to go.
Are they? So we are hiking, and there are plenty of spots for camping, but you have to bring all the stuff with you, and it's pretty beautiful. And there is a stream over there, and the camping grounds, camping spots are there beside the stream. So that's very, very beautiful location for camping, and who loves wild. So our Muslim adventure group has come for this camping, and Sajid bhai, all credit to the leader, he planned, and we are still going. It's good. It's in Georgia. To another view spot where we can see the beauty of the stream, and this is actually a big hill, and we are already on the top of mountain, so it's pretty good. Oh, it's Amazon jungle we are going through, looks like, and it's fully rainforest feeling. Oh, it's khatarnak jaga. It's very narrow trail and the stream. We are in a great adventure. It's raining, but the temperature is really good. So this is a fall going from here to the stream, and we just crossed road here. See how beautiful it is. Subhanallah. It's raining. Right. Those beaches, and yeah.
बोटिंग करते हैं।
भाई लोग आप लोग देखोगे कितना भयंकर ये जंगल है। हम आ गया कितना अंदर। अब यहाँ से कुछ हो जाएगा तो हमको कौन रेस्क्यू करेगा। बहुत बढ़िया एंड अंदर द जंगल इट्स लाइक 1.5 mile we are inside the deep wood। चलो भाई ये देखो हंटर्स है ये हंटर्स। ये लोग देखो कोई खाना भी नहीं लेके आएगा, जो भी मिलेगा वो उसको भुना करके खा जाएगा।
और नहीं मिलेगा तो अमीन भाई को खा जाएगा।
चलो फिर भी
बहुत दिन तक रहे।
चलो आमिर साहब अब कुछ कहिएगा, ये भयंकर जंगल में क्या हो रहा है?
जंगल में मंगल हो रहा है।
अच्छा सुभान अल्लाह। आमिर साहब तो अभी कूद रहा वो पानी पे, मैंने पकड़ लिया। इतना अच्छा पानी है माशाल्लाह एंड इट्स रेनिंग। सुभान अल्लाह, बचपन का याद आ रहा।
बोटिंग वोटिंग करते होंगे लोग यहाँ पर आके।
तो लेके जाएगा।
वहाँ काम का मैं क्यों करे बोटिंग?
एक ट्यूब लेके आना तो अच्छा था ना।
फूटा हो जाएगा तो काम खत्म।
एक बोट भी होनी चाहिए, वहीं हवा भरो।
सही कहा।
बोट रख सकते हैं। एयर पंप तो है मेरी गाड़ी में अपना, होगा नेक्स्ट ट्रिप में। वी कैन ब्रिंग अ बोट
हाँ या
इन्फ्लेटेबल। लेकिन वो चप्पू
वो भी आ जाएगा ना, प्लास्टिक का जॉइंट। हाँ
एक के अंदर चार्ज नहीं होगा। वो इधर बैठे मूव नहीं करेगा।
See how beautiful locations we are finding time to time. So it's really good, beautiful, and awesome view. And I have done a big mistake. I have taken the Nike shoe instead of like the boots, wood boots. And I also have a trouser, cotton trouser instead of like waterproof trouser, which is a very big mistake. I haven't counted for rain, but it's raining heavily. So don't make that mistake again, and I'll not. Oh my God. MashaAllah, we are going through the woods and you can see people are kayaking and MashaAllah. More to go. We are almost ending our one way, so we'll be heading back after like 5 minutes more walking. So we already have walked 1.5 hours, so we'll have to go back again 1.5 hours. So this is the we have hit our target for now. And we are just across the South Carolina border from Georgia. Okay.
हाँ भाई, वापस
So अब क्या प्लान है भाई?
अभी जो बिरयानी खाते हैं पहले, शौरमा बिरयानी।
आप तो बिरयानी नहीं लेके आया भाई। आपका मेरा बिरयानी के स्मेल कैसे चले गए आपके पास?
लेके निकालते हैं ना।
अच्छा क्या है इसमें? जीवानी और बिरयानी सेंट लेके आया होगा।
बिरयानी को ग्राइंड करके लेगा।
नहीं भाई ये देखो क्रिस्टल क्लियर बहुत कुछ है। ओह there was a downfall. Oh dangerous भाई। Nice. भाई खजाना निकाल रहा हम सारे को। भीग के क्या हो गया माशाल्लाह। It's viral. What is this? ओ भाई आप तो बहुत प्यारा लोग है माशाल्लाह। सी शेयर करो। हाँ वो भी लेके आया।
You want some? चाय भी निकाले ना।
चाय है?
ये देख लगा ले।
हाफिज भाई जेब से चाय निकालो। What's the plan, Amit साहब अभी? कोई plan है अभी चलते? Okay, we'll return back. Okay, इंशाल्लाह. So हाँ कितना माइल आया हमने ये? Almost 2 miles plus we walked here. 1.5 miles. वो ये challenging था क्योंकि वो very
में तो 3 माइल बोलो.
वो स्कीरी था बहुत and very challenging because of the skeery way and muddy way. Okay, thank you. Bye. Thank you, Amir bhai. Thank you so much. So we are going back. Actually, our Google tracker showed we have traveled more than 3 miles one way. So we are going back 3 mile plus again. So that's the Google tracker and internet. No internet, so we cannot find out how long we came in. So that's the correction we are doing. So yeah, we are going back after taking a little rest and having some cookies. Alhamdulillah. You see how dangerous it is to walk. Okay. And make sure you take the hiking boots, and it's up and down and slippery. It says if you fell down, you are in a big trouble and a burden to the group too. So this is the jungle. Okay, real adventure. लग गया मेरा पैर पे. It's a break for natural call.
ये मीडिया मैनेजर.
So it's deep in the wood, so you have to be prepared. There is no toilet or anything. But if you can see, it's such a lovely location. Oh my God, subhanallah. So if you guys are interested, if you comment, hopefully I'll try to give you more details of this trail. So we have gone 3 miles plus inside the wood and now going back, and it's time for resetting our tank. Sorry यार, ये सारे बंद हो गया. रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ. रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ भाई. अभी हो रहा. सॉरी भाई, ये इतना खतरनाक जाना है. Alhamdulillah. We registered our name here before we started, and this is the trail, and you can find the information by searching Wilderness American Wandering Resort, and the rules are there. And let's see if we can get more information here, what's the trail name and how to come. So this is a national forest. So if you search with this name, it should come. And Chattooga River corridor, and this is the road. So the trail we have covered like this. Okay. We have completed our hiking. It was so exciting, and all the way it was keep raining. And even though I had a raincoat, I got a little bit wet inside. And what about you, Amir bhai? What is your feeling?
It was good. It was exhilarating. It was fun more than anything. Relaxing too. Very nice weather, and relaxing and peaceful more than anything.
We are going to the campground now, where we already tented our campground. Alhamdulillah. I hope we will not get cold. My shoes got fully wet, and the biggest mistake I have done is not taking the hiking shoes, waterproof. So next time, hopefully that mistake I'll avoid for sure. Alhamdulillah. Thanks.
Not a mistake, it's a blunder.
Blunder, yeah. It's yeah.
So, we are trying to have some firewood here.
बस टेप
set up.
टेप इस पे लगा दो ये पानी आ रहा है
Acha, we get a small hole. We just fix this.
हमें वो कढ़ाई चाहिए
Fire making process is going on. So we put something, you can make the fire. So everything is wet actually. But now we just put the dry wood
लाइटर
from our
चाहिए
car.
हमें।
And now, oh. होते नहीं हो रहा ना
पहले तो मैंने ऐसे थैली के साथ रखते थे थोड़ा सा वो खरीद वो
It's raining. So we have some food to cook.
नहीं पहले एक
And
गरम
we'll
करने के लिए
make the food warm.
हम जा रहे हैं निकालने
And it's raining and it's hard, difficult, but we are enjoying.
नहीं वो मैंने पकाया और से ऑनियन मैंने सारे कुछ कर दिया Yeah, this is the cooking. We have chicken just over there and the rice. So this will be our lunch and dinner together.
We are really having hard time. We have finished one fire starter already, but it's not getting lit up properly. So I think everything is damp, the woods and everything. So hopefully we can have fire. Oh. Finally our fire is on. Oh my god, पूरा गिरे हो गया सारी ठंडी में मैच इतना पुता गया मैच इतना it's too damn गर्मियाँ हैं water. It's water. Oh my god, inside it's water. Allah make it easy. Water and water. We are in a great trouble, looks like. Oh, water is chipping. Haha, I didn't idea. Oh, water.
ज़्यादा पीछे नहीं जाइएगा आप देखिए
हाँ, हाँ,
खड़े में
हाँ।
कहाँ पर है
ठीक है आप चलो